we will show you how to set the language. Switch the page and make the settings according to the video click order. Click the down key 3 times to switch the cursor to language. Switch and save the language by click the plus key as needed. Now, we select English and return to the home page. We will show you how to configure the HP2560 weather receiver to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Press the Setting button to find the network configuration page. Use the up and down arrow keys to find the Wi-Fi scan option and enter the Wi-Fi scan page. Find and select your Wi-Fi network. Then enter the password using the on-screen keyboard. Press the OK button to confirm. Return to the home screen. The Wi-Fi icon will turn green. We will show you how to binding the HP2560 weather receiver to the Ecowitt app. Click the Setting button 4 times. Open the Ecowitt app, click on the menu in the top left corner, select Weather Station. Click Add New Weather Station. Choose Manually Adding. Enter device name and MAC address. Click Save. After a successful connection, the device will automatically switch to the data display interface. In the following operations, we will confirm the location of the weather station. Enter the Edit Gateway. Adjust the latitude and longitude of your weather station. Click the location icon. Click Save Location. Click Save. Thanks for watching.